Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about inversion. This is a grammar topic, inversion. This is video number 1, part 1. As you know, this is advanced English grammar course, and in this course, I have covered more than 27 common and important grammar topics, and we are at this one, first one on the second line, second column, inversion. So there are other important also. Open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Moment please. Subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. Please press bell icon and subscribe to get more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. So what is an inversion? Inversion, it means to invert or reverse something, but in grammar it means to invert or reverse the word order of a structure of or a sentence, usually used for subject verb order inversion. Normally we use subject first then verb, and in inversion we use verb first and then subject. So this is inversion. In simple words, a normal sentence is something like this: subject plus verb plus object. For example, he goes to school. Or we can say, if there is an auxiliary verb, we can say they are playing football. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus object. They are playing football. To make them questions, we change the word order. Does he go to school? Does he go to school? Normally say he goes to school will be normal, but to make questions we will use inversion. Does he go to school? They are playing football is normal sentence, and we will use, for question we will use inversion. Are they playing football? As you can see in simple words, what is an inversion? Let us look at not only and but also sentences. Simple sentences. Dr. Che makes free videos for his YouTube channel. He works at a hospital. These are two simple sentences. No. Let us look at a better sentence. Because why it is better? Because this is a compound sentence. We are using not only and but also. We are making a compound sentence. Dr. Che, no, it is complex. It is complex sentence, but not a very high level. Dr. Che not only makes free videos for his YouTube channel, not only makes free videos for his YouTube channel, but also works at a hospital. There is no inversion. This is a good sentence, but this is not simple. We have joined two simple sentences with not only and but also. Dr. Che not only makes videos for his YouTube channel, but also works at a hospital. The best sentences, especially for your writing, the best would be: not only does Dr. Che work at a hospital, but he also makes free videos on his YouTube channel. As you can see, Dr. Che makes free videos, and when there is inversion, when not only is used at the beginning of sentence, not only does Dr. Che work at a hospital. So this is inversion. When we use not only but also, not only is used at the start of a sentence, we use inversion with not only, not with but also, with not only. Does Dr. Che work at a hospital? we need to make the first part of the sentence, that is with not only, like a question. This is called inversion. This is an advanced level sentence. This is used in your essay writing or in your formal writing. Now let us look at another simple sentence. You should watch the videos. You should also write some essays. This is a simple sentence. You should watch the videos. This is one simple sentence. The other simple sentence is you should also write some essays. Better sentence would be you should not only watch the videos but also write some essays. As you can say, not only we have used verb, and after but also we have used also verb. This is called parallelism. I will teach you in other class what is a parallelism. But just look at this sentence. This is a better sentence. We have joined two simple sentences. You should not only watch the videos but also write some essays. The best sentence with inversion would be not only, not only. As we make question sentences, should you watch the videos? So not only should you watch the videos, this is inversion here. Not only should you watch the videos, but you should also write some essays. Note the first part of the sentence. It is like a question. Should you watch the videos? Should you watch the videos? This part is like a question. This is inversion, and it is being used with not only part of the sentence. Now let us look at another simple sentence. The videos are interesting. The videos are interesting. This is one simple sentence. The other is they are also informative. This is other simple sentence. Now we are going to make a better sentence. The videos are not only interesting but also informative. In other sentence, there what after not only was verb, and after but also there was also verb. And in this sentence, after not only is a noun or a gerund. This is a noun, not only interesting but also informative. No, this is adjective, I think, adjective or adverb. The videos are not only interesting but also informative. Cannot decide here. The best with inversion. This is the best sentence with inversion. Not only are the videos interesting, not only are the videos interesting, but they are also informative. Not only the videos are interesting, but they are also informative. We are using inversion with the first part, that the part that is with not only. Not only are the videos interesting, but they are also informative. Note the inversion in the first part of the sentence. It is like a question sentence. Are the videos interesting? This is question, and this is inversion like question. Not only are the videos interesting, but they are also informative. We don't use question mark in inversion here in this type of, with question you see. Yes, we. Now let us look at only when and not until. Only when and not until. This is a simple sentence. You learn the grammar effectively. You can pass the exam with excellence. This is a simple sentence. Now we are going to make a better sentence. You can pass the exam with excellence when you learn the grammar effectively. You can pass the exam with excellence if it is like similar to if you learn the grammar effectively, or when you learn the grammar effectively. So this one is complex sentence. These are simple. This is complex sentence, but not very advanced. We are now going to make an advanced sentence. Let us look in the next video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon for more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you.